Welcome to this episode 6 of The Art of Meditation. And today I'm going to be talking about overcoming meditation challenges. As we all know that meditation is an ancient practice and has been shown to have numerous benefits for both mental and physical health. However, a lot of people find it difficult to meditate regularly and for extended periods of your time. In today's video, I will help you and discuss some common meditation challenges and also give you some tips on how you can actually overcome them. Some common meditation challenges that usually people would face during a meditation is restlessness and distraction. It is natural for the mind to wander off during meditation. The key is not to get frustrated with yourself, but simply and gently put your attention back to your breath or to anything that you're focusing on. It could be an affirmation, it could be a mantra, it could be something that you constantly tell yourself. Now, understand that the mind is always going to be restless and distracted because it's like the wind in the stormy ocean, right? Even if that is the case, you just need to do one thing because you need to focus on that energy source, and that energy source is you. Just keep bringing your attention back. Even if it wavers, don't batter yourself over it. Over a period of time, it will improve. Many a times, when people sit down to meditate, they tell me, I get so bored or I'm not motivated enough to meditate. Well, meditation can be boring, especially when you are sitting still for extended periods of time. How funny it is, right? We can watch TV for hours, we can communicate with somebody else for hours, but when the time comes to communicate with yourself, it is so much of stress and so much of things that you want to ignore because a lot of things come up during meditation. And to address those, things that are going on within your own mind is quite intense. And usually, as humans, one would want to avoid that. But my suggestion to you would be, let's see if you can find some soothing, calming music or some guided meditation initially to get you out of that boredom or lack of motivation, and slowly and eventually move yourself to listening to your own conversations. Allow yourself to speak to yourself. If you're sitting for a long period of time, meditation can cause a lot of physical discomfort. So you could do that by, laying down, or you could take a back, sit your back against the wall, take a pillow, find a blanket, whichever is comfortable for you, and work on as much as ease that you can give to your physical body. Also, what happens is during meditation, the physical body will start giving signals. I have pain in this part, I have pain in that part of the body. And sometimes this pain is only to get your attention off from what you are thinking. So you do not want to focus on, what kind of challenges or issues that are coming up and you want to resolve them. The physical body will give you that distraction. So make sure that that physical distraction is valid or not valid. Ask yourself, is it appropriate to focus on this now, or if it is not appropriate to focus on it now. But make sure that you're completely at ease within your body and outside of your body. Another aspect that comes to when you're doing meditation is self-doubt and negative thoughts. It's very common to have negative thoughts during meditation, but my suggestion to you would be that Just simply observe them and let them go. Do not judge them, do not question them, do not keep battering yourself over it that, this is how I am, this is who I am, and this is how my life has been. Don't get into a victim mentality when you're sitting with yourself, because a lot of times when you are actually working on this internal state, there will be a lot of other slow aspects of your negative mind coming up constantly. So work with it, and clear them off, and set some beautiful, realistic expectations with yourself while you are doing it. So here are some tips that you can overcome to avoid all the meditation challenges. One is, don't expect yourself to be meditating over like a period of 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, or 1 hour immediately. Take time, just like when you start off with exercising. It takes time, it's a process, it's a structure in life. Start with short meditations, gradually increase the amount of time you meditate each day. Find a quiet and comfortable place. It is important for you to find a beautiful zone where you can sit uninterrupted. And you might want to use earplugs or some soothing music, to block out your distractions. When you find your mind wandering, slowly bring your attention back to your breathing. Okay, there are times when people ask me, Taranum, what do I do if I fall asleep? I tell them it's okay. Allow your body to heal. Allow the body to use its own mechanism to go through this journey, because meditation is going to take a while for you to go to this depths of meditation. So take that time, allow your body to heal in its own way. You can also start chanting affirmations, mantras, whatever keeps you focused, so that you can keep it from wandering. I would suggest go to that part of mantras and affirmations only and only once when you have had the patience to sit with yourself and allow the thought process to flow. So initially start with music, then go on to a mantra or whatever. Don't just immediately go for a mantra process right at the beginning. Secondly, be patient, be kind to yourself. It takes time and practice to go deeper. Do not get discouraged, even if you find it distracting, difficult, you feel lazy with yourself, whatever. Just be patient. Don't batter yourself. All right. uh, Find possibly a group that you can help get into that state of constant meditation. You could read many books about meditation or articles about how you could focus, develop a deep ability to connect with that internal source of yours, and schedule a time each day to meditate, even if it is starting out for say 5 minutes. Sometimes even 5 minutes seem like a long time when you actually start meditating, and your mind can easily get distracted. But keep doing that again and again and again. It's a practice. That is why they say meditation is a practice. They don't say it is just you have to do it. It's not a compulsion, it's a practice, and it's a habit, just like brushing your teeth. So don't give up, even if you find it difficult at the start. Keep practicing, and you will eventually reap the benefits of meditation. Meditation is a very powerful tool that can help you to improve your mental and physical well being. And overcoming some common meditation challenges can be easy when you practice and you persevere. So, happy meditating, and keep getting at it, keep being consistent and persistent. I will see you soon.